Hi guys, in this video we will see how we can create hero animation. As you can see on the screen, there is a profile picture, and as soon as we click this picture, an animation will happen and the profile picture will be displayed. So we can use this type of animation in the chat application as well as on the profile image, where if we select the profile image, then it will be displayed with the help of animation. So let's see how we can code this into our application. So for this, open the command prompt where we can create the Flutter project. I will name it as Hero Tutorial. As you can see, the project is created. Let's get into the project and I will open it inside my Visual Studio. Okay. Inside YAML file, we need to add an image to show into the application. So for that, here is an assets section where we can add the image. Okay. Okay. So inside this file, as we had created a folder name as assets, I'll place it here and the name of the image will be image.jpg. Once this is completed, we can run the application. So I will open a terminal where we can run the flutter run command, which will install the application into this Android emulator. It will take some time. The application has been installed successfully. So what we will do, inside lib folder, we will create another screen. I will name it as home page, and it will be a stateful widget. Then inside main.dart file, we don't need this class, so I will erase it. And the home will be pointed to homepage.dart. Okay. So inside this homepage, first we will create a scaffold which will have a body of center widget, and inside there will be a column. The cross axis alignment will be for start, and then it will have children's. First we will add some size. Let's assign it to 30. Then we need a list tile. Okay, so it will have an leading icon which will show the image, the profile picture. So for that, we will add a leading property which will have a gesture detector, because as soon as we click, it should detect the click and add the animation to that image. For that, we will use gesture detector. It will have an on tap. We will define it later. And it will have a child of hero. Let's name it anything. My. And the child will be secular avatar, which will have an background image. of asset image. So we need to pass the link for that image, which will be assets jpg. Let's try to reload the application. As you can see, image has been appeared here. So we need to display the text also. And inside this list style, it will have a title, which will say, um, click on the image. Let's try to reload. Okay, it is appeared. So as soon as we click this image, something should happen. So for that, what I will do, I will create another class. For that, I will create another method, which will be show second page, and it will accept a context. Then for that, we need to use navigator, which will push the material page route, and inside it will accept and builder. So for that, we can pass the context, which will, let's name it as ctx, and then it will return a scaffold widget, which will have an app bar of, let's say, title. And it will have a body of center. The child will be the hero tag, and name it to the tag that we had passed before. For child, we can use image.assets, where we need to pass the path of the image. Okay, so inside gesture detector, we had a method which is onTap, where we need to call this function by passing the context. So for that, let's okay, let's try to reload the application. And if I click on this image, yeah, this animation is working. So in this video, we had created a simple hero animation where we can use this type of animation in the chat application or to view the profile pic, something like that. So for that, we had used this hero tag, and in this way we had created this animation. So we'll meet in the next video with some amazing content. For now, thank you. Bye bye.